All right, YouTube folks, there's the cabinet, all wired up, 100% ready to go. I had the axes moving around yesterday. Spent a little bit of time dialing them in with a scale to get my axis movement close. There's the Acorn screen, the CNC-12 that communicates with the Acorn board. Of course, the Acorn board's on there. And I got my axes dialed in close with a scale, and I've just been working on getting them much closer and to find out the repeatability here. Here's what I have. This is a 24-inch digital scale. So I got half of it clamped onto my x-axis, half of it clamped onto the gantry, and using it like a digital readout. So I'm going to come back here. We're just going to send this thing back to 0. G1, X0, feed of 50 inches a minute. Enter that in, cycle start it. Okay, so here it goes, back to 0. Closed loop stepper motor and the Acorn controller. I'm telling you, this thing's been repeatable, fantastic. Let's go G1, X, minus, 12 point, feed of 50 point. We'll send it back over, enter that, cycle smash. Here we go. It's moving back across. Using this like a nice digital readout. Here we are. Man, within a thou. It's been a thou or less. That's a thou and a half, thou or less. Okay, I've been going back and forth in rapid and changing the parameter for my steps per rev, or my turns per rev, and I have it dialed in probably within a thou or two, even in rapid now. G0, X0, enter, cycle smash. Two thou. Oh, 1.5. G0, X, negative 12 point. Cycle smash. 11,999. It's within a thou or better. I could probably keep playing around with it, maybe even get it tighter. Okay guys, here's the setup for my Y-axis now. I had it on the X, I have it on a Y, same kind of arrangement. One side's clamped, the other side's clamped, zeroed all out. I've been going back and forth. That's 12 and 1 thou. I've gotten like 12 and 2, 12 right on, 12 and 3. I've been feeding it back and forth. Now I've been rapiding. G0, Y0, enter, cycle start. Feeded back 3 thou with my calipers. And let's zero it out. G0, Y negative 12 point. Enter that. Cycle start. There it is. Okay guys, final setting of the Z axis. X is dialed in, Y is dialed in using my 24-inch caliper. Now this is what I have, my digital, what do you want to call it? Digital indicator. It has 2 inches of travel. I'm just using 1 inch travel up and down. I got it in pretty close now. I'm running 0.9987. It's pretty accurate indicator. So I just made an adjustment, but that's how I'm doing the Z here. All right, let's do this here. G1, Z0, feet of 10. Enter that. Cycle start. And there you go. There you go. 0.0003. So 3/10. Oh, not focusing. 3/10. And then we'll go back up. G1, Z1 point, feet of 10 point, cycle start, $99885. Last time was $9,987. I'm going to do it back and forth a half dozen times to see what kind of repeatability, see if I want to make any slight change, and let it go at that.